I'm Steph and this is House of Handmade. We are home to nearly 80 Australian makers. We're like a little finders keepers market and we sell a range of handmade gifts. You don't find these types of stores very often and we try to cater to all ages, all demographics, and you're sure to find something in here for everyone. So I had no history in running a retail business. I used to be in the banking industry. I love this creative space. So I took this business over just before the last set of lockdowns last year, so April 2021. Having just taken over the business and being shut down nearly immediately was really tough. The other thing that hurt us was we benefit a lot from the Epworth Hospital next door, and having day surgeries or elective surgeries shut down for that period just made the foot traffic in store essentially disappear. Getting a bigger online presence was really important, and I really needed the tools to know how to do that. So I did a mentorship with Brett Melville on SEO, which is something that I knew absolutely nothing about, and it was invaluable. So I've had 2 sessions with him over 3 hours, and we went through everything from both SEO and social media and just how Google works and puts it all together, which is something I knew nothing about. And it's definitely helped a lot. So as part of the mentorship, you do go through a digital strategy and you do get sent what you talked about at the end. So I have been working through that because this business is quite unique and product changes constantly. You know, people bring in a pair of earrings, the next month the earrings are different, and having to manage that on the website and having to constantly change the SEO on the website. Brett gave me really good strategies to focus on my collections rather than the individual items. I know a bit better how to get everything to talk to each other and try to get top hits on Google when you do Google anything handmade. So that's definitely helped. I definitely recommend Asbas for the price and for all of the tools you get, especially the mentorship, which, you know, they are hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to be able to get that one-on-one service. It is invaluable for any small business.